Do you have plants that are in need of a little extra support? I definitely had a few slouchy plants like this one that needed some love. I found the perfect supports that won't detract from your plant's natural beauty. I'm Alicia with WTI, and let me tell you about the AMAGABELI Garden and Home Plant Support Stakes. These stakes come in 2 different height options, and they're very versatile. You can actually link 2 or more stakes together to suit the needs and size of your plant. You can create rows or circles, and the package also comes with a roll of Velcro straps to secure stalks or branches as needed. They're really simple to use. You just push the stakes into the soil around your plant and let them give your plant the lift it needs. These heavy-duty plant stakes are sturdy with a 4mm steel core and a resistant coating that will provide a durable, weather-resistant, and long-lasting support to your indoor and outdoor plants. My favorite thing about these is that they blend right into my plant. They're nice and green, so they're aesthetically pleasing and they don't look out of place. They're easy to use and they provide the support that my plants need to grow strong and healthy. And that's my point of view.